In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Framer. We'll start right inside your Framer project, open the project you're working on, and in the main canvas, look for the piece of text you want to bring to life. This could be a heading, a subheading, or any text layer you'd like to animate. Click on that text to select it. Once it's selected, take a look at the right-hand side of the screen. That's where the Properties panel lives, and this is where we'll set up the animation. In the Properties panel, scroll until you see the section called Effects. This is where Framer keeps all the visual effects you can apply to your layer. Under Effects, you should see an option labeled Text. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Just click the little plus icon on the right side of the Effects section, and from the list that appears, choose Text. This will add a text effect to your selected layer. Next, you'll see a field beside text in that Effects section. Click that field, and a small pop-up will appear on the right side of your screen. This pop-up is where all the magic happens. Here, you can choose the trigger for your text animation, such as when the text enters the viewport or when the page loads. You can also pick a preset animation style, like fade, slide, or other built-in options. In the same pop-up, you'll notice a setting that lets you decide how the animation is applied, per character, per word, or per line. Choosing per character creates more detailed letter-by-letter animations, while per word or per line can feel a little smoother and more subtle. Pick whatever best matches the style of your design. Right beside Enter, click on Effect to reveal additional settings for the Enter animation. Here you can fine-tune things like delay, duration, and easing. For example, you might add a small delay so the text animates just after other elements, or adjust the duration to make the animation feel snappier or more relaxed. Some options here will change depending on the trigger you chose earlier. As you tweak these settings, Framer automatically shows you a small live preview at the top of the effect settings, so you can see how the animation will behave. If you want to see how it looks in the context of your actual page, head to the top right corner of the editor and click Preview. This opens an interactive preview of your site, where you can scroll, interact, and watch your text animation in action, just like your visitors would.